If you're looking to sneak in some extra veggies in your diet, this cauliflower mac and cheese recipe will do the trick. Start by cutting your cauliflower right in half, and then taking out the core. Then you want to cut your florets into bite-sized pieces, and then put them aside. Boil a large pot of water, and then place your florets in the water just for a couple minutes to give them a good blanch. Then remove them from the water and place them aside. In a large skillet, melt your butter and then cook your onion and garlic with a little bit of salt for a few minutes. Then sprinkle it with flour and then whisk it in to make sure it's nice and absorbed. Slowly pour in your milk and then whisk it all together until it becomes nice and smooth and it'll simmer and thicken up nicely. Add in your smoked paprika, your herbs, your Dijon mustard, and your cream cheese. Break it up into smaller pieces so it melts down easier, and then whisk it all together until it melts completely and comes together. Add your cauliflower back into the sauce, and stir it in to cover it. Add in a cup and a half of your grated mozzarella, fold it all together, and then place it into your prepared baking dish. Smooth it out a little bit, and then cover with the rest of your grated mozzarella and your panko crumbs. Then place it into the oven for about 20 minutes. Take it out of the oven, let it rest a few minutes, and then garnish with fresh parsley. Thanks for watching! Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.